So now, Bree, let's talk about Drake.
Okay.
So Drake over this last week has had a lawsuit filed against him by one of Snoop Dogg's cousins, a guy named RBX, filed a lawsuit basically saying that Drake and, his company, they're responsible for purchasing billions of streams on Spotify.
Billions?
Yeah, billions of streams on Spotify. And of course, a lot of artists that are actually coming up, really putting in the work, they looking at that like, man, we working hard, fighting against the algorithm on Spotify to get our music out. You got this guy, because he's made so much money over the years, literally purchasing streams or bots to keep him at the top when it comes to Spotify. And now, the ironic part of this is that early this year, Drake actually sued UMG, which is Universal Music Group, for saying that they was doing that with Kendrick Lamar when it came to the record Not Like Us. And I can tell you this, Bree, I was a Drake fan.
Yeah.
Especially in the beginning stages of his career, to some years, even after his beginning stages. The record he had, The Best I Ever Had, I liked that record in the beginning stages of him actually get out there. And a lot of other records and albums that Drake did over the years, I actually did like his music. But I can say this, though. I gotta call a spade a spade.
Hey.
With that whole Drake and Kendrick Lamar situation,
Yeah.
and I'm not saying I'm the biggest Kendrick Lamar fan, even though I've had friends that have played some of his albums for me in the past and stuff like that. And some of his music I vibe to. I think he's a great lyricist. But between that battle, I believe Kendrick took it when it came to the Not Like Us record. That's what I would say.
That's fair.
Right? And so that's my opinion. But Bree, what are some of your thoughts on Drake as a whole? And even hearing this situation about now he has a lawsuit against him about these streams and these bots with Spotify.
My opinion, this is what I can say. Drake is a great artist. He's a great actor as well.
Yeah, because he started off with Nickelodeon.
A great actor can act like a great rapper. Just leave it at there what it is.
Okay.
I think he's soft as cotton.
Oh, wow.
We just leave it there.
Okay.
But he associates himself with real ones. Now, straight up.
Yeah.
If say you a new artist, I'm who I am. I get on the track with you, I take you to the moon. You got the streets. I take you to the moon.
Yeah.
I'm soft as cotton. You gonna let somebody talk about me? I just made you a millionaire.
Absolutely not.
You feel me?
Absolutely.
So if I go around this country doing this,
that's what Kendrick was saying, and I like
doing
us.
shit. I didn't even know, but it don't even matter. But I saw it. I'm looking at it like, hey, it's smart.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong, it's smart.
Yeah.
He make good music.
Yeah.
He do make good music.
Great music.
But I don't like that tough talk. Because you ain't gotta do it.
Gotta be you.
You ain't gotta do it. You know what I mean?
And to be quite frank with you, a lot of Drake records that I like personally is not the street.
It's not the street work. Exactly.
Exactly. I agree.
You know what I mean?
I agree.
Do the good music. You ain't gotta be a gangster.
Yeah.
Real gangsters don't want to be gangsters.
That's true. Hey, you know what I mean? Get up out
That's what it is.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
To me, the business part of it, good business.
Right.
The music part of it, good music. But the fake persona is what make me, not care too much.
Yeah.
Now, you spoke on the him and Kendrick.
Right.
We know where Kendrick from.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Exactly. From comedy.
You can't. It just is what it is.
Yeah.
And it's not a real versus fake type thing.
Right.
It's just if that ain't you, don't speak on that.
Yeah.
Let that be.
I agree.
Let that be.
I agree.
You know what I mean?
I agree.
So.
And Kendrick really from that. And to me, Kendrick makes more conscious music. He don't even really do a lot of street type music.
Nah.
Right.
So now, far as the buy-in of the streams,
right.
Straight up, That's that big bank take little bank all day.
Yeah.
We know how that go.
Yeah.
Now to cry about it and then go do it, that's that kiss, that cotton that I'm talking about.
Yeah.
You can't do that.
Right.
You feel me?
That's why I didn't agree on there.
You got to charge it to the game.
Yeah.
If it happened and you like, you quiet about it, let it happen.
Right.
But and then go, if you're gonna go use it, after you see it, people steal game all the time.
Right.
Good idea is a good idea.
True. I
steal good advice all the time. You know what I mean?
Super,
You ain't even got to be talking to me.
Right.
If it sound good.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So
absolutely.
If he say, okay, this music group, I'm suing y'all for doing that.
Right.
You can't go back and do the same thing, man. That's just
now you getting hit with a similar lawsuit.
That's that cotton.
Yeah.
That's what cotton people do. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That ain't no real move.
Yeah.
You feel me?
No, I agree.
You gotta stand on it.
Yeah.
If I sue you for it, shit, guess what's gonna happen to you? You gonna get sued for it. You know what I mean? Now, yes, to the other artists, the people that's fighting the algorithm to get where they need to go.
Right.
It's business.
Yeah.
End of the day, you are in the music business.
Yep.
This is not the music. It's not the music fun.
Right.
It's the music business. So get your business together. You know what I mean? Don't cry about it.
Yeah. There you go.
That's my take.
There you go. I agree. I mean, because even Bri, when we was coming up in the entertainment business, we knew, hey, it was certain artists in the city and certain companies in the city, they had the money to be able to do certain things. Hey, we just knew we had to get our grind up.
We had, and it was tough, but you had Jeezy,
exactly,
Lil Hot,
exactly,
T.I.,
the
boy Fruit Man. You remember the boy Fruit Man down in Columbus? You like, who is this nigga just coming in, throwing money, going crazy? But it was real street people with real money.
Exactly.
But they ain't got it. You gotta take your role.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? Hey,
you had to figure it out. You gotta get your money right.
Hey.
Absolutely. I agree. 100%. 100%. Hello, this is G Bass. Rise of the 1%. Rise Media. We on this Saturday evening about to get ready to knock out some podcast episodes with some individuals here in the city of Atlanta making some big moves. You can see here, look, this is how it goes down. Here when our guests come and sit down with myself, G Bass, other Rise of 1% of Rise Media, to have that conversation, to share the story, share the journey, share what you got going on. So listen, everybody got a story, everybody got a journey, and then you got some things going on, then you definitely can get with us and see if it'll be a fit to be on the Rise of 1% podcast and actually have that discussion with myself. It's going to be a link to a form for you to fill out. You said www.theriseofthe1%.com/pod-form. Again, www.theriseofthe1%.com/pod-form. It's going to be in this video. You can fill that out, and we can see if it'll be a fit for you to come on and have that conversation with myself. If you don't fill out the form, then obviously it's not for you, and that's fine. We're looking for those that's serious. Those that's serious about rising to the top 1% are already in the 1%. That's what we're looking to sit down with myself right here. As you can see, Rise Media, Rise of the 1%. This is how we get down. We have a great time and have a lot of fun doing it. So once again, if you're serious, make sure you fill out the form. We'll look over the form, see if it's a fit. If it's a fit, we'll reach out. If not, we won't reach out. We'll just continue to move forward. But with that said, this is G Bass. See you soon. Have a great one on purpose.